Welcome to Uncle Joe's. This is Darren coming to tell you exactly what we do here at Uncle Joe's in Spartanburg. Guess what? We are here, just like it says, we don't focus on your past, we focus on your future. What does that mean? Well, it's about to rain right now, so I better hurry up. But sometimes it rains in our lives. We go through divorces, we go through bankruptcies. Sometimes we have our health that is not very well, and it all affects our credits. Well, guess what? We don't sell cars off of your credit score, we sell them off of your income. So all I need is 2 pay stubs, a driver's license, and we can get you driving today. But not only this, are we not focusing on your past, but we're focusing on your future. We create value. All of our cars come with a 2-year, 36,000-mile warranty, just like this Hyundai Sonata right here. I can get you driving in it, and you'll have a 2-year, 36,000-mile warranty. And just like this Sorento over here, 2 beautiful cars. Need 2 pay stubs, driver's license, and I can get you driving in one of these cars with a 2-year, 36,000-mile warranty. So here at Uncle Joe's, we don't focus on your past, we focus on your future. Go to our website, it's right down here, unclejoescars.com. Look at our inventory, do an online application, and we will see you at Uncle Joe's.